Utameshlu.
The bedroom and all around. Touch me now. I close my eyes and dream away. It must have been love, but it's over now. It must have been good, but I lost it somehow. It must have been must have been love, but it's over now. It was all that I wanted. Now I'm living without. It must have been